This video brings to life the tale of Little Red Riding Hood, showcasing characters with a unified visual style, a feature that sets it apart from many other video generators. This consistency plays a vital role in enhancing storytelling. To create high-quality animations, detailed prompts are indispensable. The video underscores the significance of structure prompts, which are essential for achieving the intended outcomes. For ease of script generation, a specific prompt structure is advocated. This approach simplifies the animation creation process while maintaining character consistency throughout. Employing AI tools such as ChatGPT can aid in crafting character descriptions, although some manual adjustments might be necessary to ensure precision. This emphasizes the need for comprehensive review. Using sophisticated image generators like the Puman website can significantly boost both the quality and efficiency of image production, allowing users to select the most appropriate visual representations. When generating images, it's crucial to watch for any missing details that may fail to translate from script to visual form. Overlooking these can compromise character consistency. Minimax AI presents a free plan that allows users to create up to 3 videos daily. Despite its transition to paid options, this opportunity remains beneficial for animating images with straightforward prompts. For voiceover generation, Clipchamp stands out with its text-to-speech feature, enabling users to choose fitting voices that enhance storytelling, particularly in children's narratives. CapCut is highly recommended for video editing due to its intuitive interface and free accessibility. Properly arranging video clips alongside the voiceovers is crucial for achieving a coherent final product. Adjusting video speed is essential to align narration with visuals, allowing the audience to follow the story effortlessly, thereby improving overall comprehension. Incorporating sound effects and background music can amplify the emotional resonance of the story, creating a more immersive experience for viewers. This enriches the overall viewing experience. Ultimately, the narrative of Little Red Riding Hood exemplifies how effective editing techniques can seamlessly integrate storytelling elements, capturing the attention of viewers.